Hi friends, let us look at some of the important news. My name is Dinesh Arya and I will bring every news for all of you. As of yesterday, 44,892 new corona cases were reported all over India. Total number of active cases was 5.21 lakhs. As of yesterday, 32.29 crore Indians got vaccinated. Five states which account for almost 50% of cases are Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Yesterday, 706 new corona cases reported in Mumbai. For last couple of days, number of cases in India is below 50,000, which is very good sign. Government has decided to keep the interest rates on small savings scheme unchanged for the period July to September 2021. This will bring some relief to lower income earners and senior citizens. For information, the interest rate on senior citizen scheme remain unchanged at 7.4% and PPF at 7.1%. As you know, the interest on PPF is tax free. Pune has officially become the city with the largest geographical area in the Maharashtra after the state government on Wednesday issued an order to extend the boundaries of Pune municipal corporations to include 23 new villages in the existing city limit. Pune is now seventh largest city within the country. Forest officials and wildlife enthusiasts were surprised to stumble upon a huge turtle which was spotted walking along the roadside inside a colony in Hingna in Nagpur in Maharashtra. It has been found that somebody has brought a truckload of sand from the adjoining Vena river in the colony when the turtle was found. It is possible that turtle have come along with the sand. On July 1, India's oldest running newspaper Mumbai Samachar will enter 200th year of publication. The Gujarati newspaper with its offices located at an iconic red building at Horniman Circle in the Mumbai's Fort area was first published in 1822 years. It was founded by a Parsi scholar Fardunji Marjban who had experimented with various publishing options before going in for the newspaper publishing. Earlier it was known as Bombay Samachar. Initially it was published as a weekly newspaper. Cash crunch and unforeseen expenses due to lockdown and COVID pandemic seemed to have prompted people to go for a gold loan, with segment recording the highest credit growth of 33.8% amongst all the sectors for the 12th month ending May 2021. Vodafone Idea posted a loss of 7,023 crore for the quarter ending March 2021. Finance Ministry on Wednesday said it will issue certificate of appreciation to over 54,000 GST payers for timely filing of return and cash payment of the tax to mark the fourth anniversary of the historic tax reform goods and service tax. GST was first introduced on July 1, 2017 after abolishing 17 local levies like excise duty, central sale tax, VAT, service tax and cess. $1 was equal to 74.33 rupees. Yesterday BSE Sensex closed below the previous day closed and closed 67 points below the previous day closed and closed at 52,482 points. This is Dinesh Arya signing off.